What I'm going to say is not for everybody. This is for those who have discernment. This is those who I was divine to align with. When I first started being an entrepreneur, I just wanted to make money online. I didn't have a purpose. I didn't have a goal. I didn't understand my God-given talents. I wasn't putting God first. And if you don't lead with a purpose or have that vision, or if you're not putting God first, and for those who understand and you believe in Jesus Christ and you believe that he is your Lord and Savior, you understand how valuable it is in every aspect of your life. Because God is in control. I don't care how much we believe that we are. He is in control of your finances, your health, your business, your everything. Anything that you think you have control over, he's giving you a little bit of leeway because he's given us the Bible, the instructions on what we're supposed to do before we leave this earth. But we have this thing within us that think that we are almighty and we can do whatever we want to do on our own time and without God, because we are in control of our life. So we think, we get up every day with the notion that I am going to take control. I am going to take over. I am going to do this, without saying, hey, let me put my knees to the ground. Let me ask God first. Let me put this in the air. Let me see what he say is the best way to travel. Because without God, you have nothing. And what I've realized in my journey online is once I started understanding my journey, my passion, my goal, my assignment, and who I align to build and connect with and grow with, then I realized what I was supposed to do. And it started to make sense. I was struggling online. I wasn't really making a lot of money, but I kept going because I had the sheer will of wanting more. I had the desire to be great. I had the desire of success. And I'm like, no, I know I'm built for this. I know I deserve more. I know God got a better plan for me, but I wasn't putting him first. I wasn't utilizing my best asset, which was God. I wasn't giving him the reins, because he is the true CEO over my life, over my LLC, over my business, over my thoughts, over my reactions. And what happens because of that? Because faith without work is dead. And I wasn't doing that. But then you know what? Once I released the reins of believing that I can control it and I can do it all on my own, and I let God work and I put my faith in him and I stopped chasing the bag and let the bag chase me and let God fill it. When I tell you life changed, when I tell you all my struggles went away, when I tell you I had no money woes, when I tell you I started seeing the explosion in my business, even though I put the work ethic in, even though I did my part, I let God take control and I started winning. So I'm just here to tell you that you're not winning because God is not ready for you to win, because you're not giving him his proper due. Put some respect on his name with a capital G. It's up to him to give you the success that you're looking for, but you have to do it through him and with him. You got to put God first in order to win. That's just the truth of the matter. Trust me, believe in your God-given talents. And then after I started believing in myself, and I started realizing my worth and what my value was, I didn't take any more discounts. And then I started aligning with some of the big dogs. I started aligning with people that was on a massive scale of success and wanted the same thing or more. I got aligned with people who already done it. I got a mentor. I got plugged into my success. I started investing in who I wanted to be, not what I thought I should do. Because I was following the money. I was following what somebody else's desires and dreams was. And then I started saying, you know what? It's not that they know more than me and I am less than. It's, you know what? You have to learn from people. This is how you grow. This is how you build. This is how you get deeply rooted in whatever niche you're doing, whatever success and path that you're trying to go down. You can't do it alone. You don't get to be a millionaire by yourself. There is no I in team. You don't necessarily have to build an MLM, but you do have to build and brand you. And you have to get aligned with people who can give you the right direction, or at least some positive instruction and strategy how they've done it. So this can maybe help you. And if it doesn't work, that means it don't mean stop. It just means get aligned with those people who are connected with you, and pray and ask God to connect you with the people who are meant to take you to the next level instead of taking from you. You have to absorb, and you have to internalize. Then you have to utilize, and then you will be at the top of your game, and you will be a force to be reckoned with. And there's nothing nobody can tell you about that. Set a wealth chat with me. Let's get you going.